The soprano ukulele is just about done. All that's left is to install the nut, the saddle, the tuning machines, and the strings. I've got the bone ready for the nut and the saddle. Let's shape it, get ready for those strings. Last time we installed the frets on the fretboard. After doing that, I came back with a file to flush it up to my binding and then put a bevel along the sides. Then came back with a triangular file to ease over the edge on each one of those frets. That just helps make it a little bit nicer to play. You don't get your fingers snagged on the fret ends. It's a lot nicer that way. We'll start by trimming the saddle to the right length. That's pretty easy. We'll just set it into our groove on the bridge. Make a mark. So we'll line up our nut in place. Make a mark along our fretboard. Now that we have the nut cut to the right length and width, we're going to ease over the back edge. So the height on our saddle is actually pretty good. I don't think I'm going to take this down any further. I might just go ahead and notch our strings. I can always bring it down lower if I find the action's too high. I should probably break up my calipers for this part, but I'm going to cheat a little bit. I already have my string locations marked on my bridge, so I'm just going to reference off of that to mark onto my saddle. That looks pretty good. Next thing I'm going to do is ease over my corners and come along the length of the saddle to refine my break angle. Our nut and our saddle are shaped. Let's put on some tuning machines, see how some strings fit. So these are sold as economy guitar tuning machines. They're not designed for ukuleles, but you know what? They work just the same and they're affordable. That's what I'm all about. I'm dipping my screws in some homemade paste wax. It just makes things a lot easier. Let's strain it up. Well, it's been a few days. I've let the strings relax. Now it's back in tune. Let's see what it sounds like.
I should admit, I don't actually play ukulele, but I'm pretty happy with it. Thanks for joining me.